Hello guys! Today me and my dad will be playing the Easter event. We're gonna be doing the Easter event and then like and subscribe and then I'm gonna be... Hello guys! We're playing the...
150 liters of cold water, we dissolve 1 gram of dry yeast. We add 15 milliliters of olive oil, half a kilogram of bread flour.
This I don't know that.
At this point, we add 12 grams of salt.
Now let's go continue back playing this and my dad will be joining me to finish the Easter event egg with me to get the UGC deer egg.
In a container with a drizzle of olive oil, we place the dough, cover it, and let it ferment for 24 hours.
I hope nobody accidentally does a face review. Oh, my dad is gonna join me now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I thought he was gonna be here now. I thought he was gonna be here now, bro. Oh. My dad is here and he got the Nightcrawler class, guys.
Into 150 liters of cold water, we dissolve 1 gram of dry yeast. We add 15 milliliters
Oh.
of olive oil.
So guys, first I'm gonna be changing my avatar. Bye, Pa. Oh.
We dissolve 1 gram of dry yeast. We add 15 milliliters of olive oil to show you how to make the best pizza recipe to make pizzas like this. It's super easy to make.
Who made this? Whoever made this is trash, bro.
We dissolve 1 gram of dry yeast to show you how to make the best pizza. I'll show you how to make the best pizza recipe to make pizzas like these. It's super easy to make and it turns out amazing. Into 150 liters of cold water, we dissolve 1 gram of dry yeast. We add 15 milliliters of olive oil, half a kilogram of bread flour, and mix a little. And at this point, we add 12 grams of salt. We continue mixing and knead until we get a dough like this. Now we cover and let it rest for 20 minutes. After resting, look how the fluted network develops. We give it some folds to give it a good structure.
Hi, Pa.
We continue.
As you can see, guys, she has 481 days and I have...
I cannot hear it.
And I have 296 days. And this is my dad. So I'm gonna give him his... Come on, let's go, Pa.
Let it ferment for 24 hours in the refrigerator at 4 degrees. After that time, look at this beauty. We moved it to the counter.
Now he's gonna follow me.
We make some folds in each one. We place them in a container, cover, and let them rest. Container. She went to a wealthy man.
Guys, stay out for my next video and it will be called unboxing my new package. And my mom literally bought it for me and I was the one who requested that for her. I was the one who requested that. And I'm trying to get in here but I can't. Okay. Hello, rabbit. Should I name you Charlie? Yeah. Pa, look. There's a little chickie. You cannot chop that carrot. My dad tried to chop this carrot off, but it's just a prop. I can destroy carrots. But I can destroy carrots. Destroy. I really need this steaming float. Bruh. Carrot is stuck. Ooh, coins. Oh, nah. Get away from me, you ugly. Hello, ugly boogly. Wee! Papa, can you build, you know,
Snowman.
it's not snow, it's not Christmas anymore. I was gonna say map, not a snowman.
Can you build a snowman?
If we were in Japan tapos and it was nighttime, now we can build a snowman. Oh,
Can you build a snowman?
yes.
Alright, alright.
That's literally from Frozen. Oh, she's gone. Hello, Papa. Oh, na. There's an ugly boogly dog.
Can you build a snowman?
There is no snowman. It's not Christmas anymore. Bye-bye, snowman. No snowman. Can you build a map? Yeah. Wee. Oh, no. I'm hungry. Oops, 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 oops.
Can you build a snowman?
Yes.
Oh, I found the kid though. Sky.
Where? No, where are you? You didn't build a map. Oh, I found you. Hello?
May ray gun ka, di ba?
Yep. Okay, never mind. I ain't saving it. I'll just save it later. You. Tell me when you... Okay, I already found this. Ooh.
Can you build a snowman?
Guys, that was just my dad. He was just saying, can we build a snowman? Papa, this fat giant bunny is named Charlie. Charlie, are you here? Charlie, are you here? Thank you very much. Is that an egg? Hi, Eggie. Coin. Yes, 20. Ay. Oh, now. Oh, now. Oh, he's not here. Guess I have to go back to the base. On the way to my base. I'm here. Papa, don't put this anywhere. I'm gonna cook them.
In egg?
Yeah. To get the cooked egg. I'm hungry. I need food. Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. But is this bunny foot mine? Is this? Oh, thank you. And this one is yours, right? Just because you got me driving. We need a crock pot. We need a crock pot. We need a crock pot. But we need food, not a crock pot. Hello, Wolfie. Nom nom. Nom 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 nom. The time to tame a chicky. For that, I need a big back carrot. Just kidding, we don't need a big back carrot. Is the pelt trader? Is the pelt trader here? We need to tame a chicky. We need to tame a chicky. What is a cute chicky? Chicky! Here's your carrot chicky. Look what I got. I got a tame chicky, look. And look what color bow. My favorite color. Guys, this actually, her name will be Skylar. Her name will be Sky. Come on, little chick, I'm getting you to your new home. Should we name it? Oh, lightning egg, yes. Oh, another one. Hi, little chickie.
I'm hungry now.
Tricky is slow, bro. The trick is dang slow, bro. Finally, I found the carrot. La la la. Hey, fat chick, you are slow, bro. You are a slowpoke, bro. Oh, it's orange. Come on, chickies. Ay! Oh my god. Lala! Hey, let's go, chickies! Chickies! Oh no. Oh no. Wee! Oh no! Nobody ain't getting food, bro. Oh. My pink chick is lots. Egg. Ay! Help me, I'm going to die because of hungers. Help! Oh no. Help, help, help,
May
help, help, help.
fighter dyan.
Oh. No, there's no culture. Why?
Pwede.
Why are you asking if the country is here?
Hindi.
You guys, so I died. And I don't. Oh. So, guys, I don't have Robux to revive myself. So somebody gotta revive me. Oh. No, why did I put it in the fire? Hello, Bun. Oh, help!
Kaya mo na yan. May regal key.
Oh no. Ah! Get away, ugliest. Oh no. My cheeks! Ay! Oh no. Hey, chicks! Lightning egg.
Ano mo, lagyan mo yung fire natin. Expand mo.
Me?
Mm-mm.
But I'm trying to get the lightning rod. No, this is the perfect time. I have to hurry up putting the things or I will miss it. I hope a thunderstorm is gonna come. No. How many woods? 15. I'm spamming it. Okay, gotta hurry up. Gotta hurry up or the weather will stop.
Come on now. May bear pa.
I'm hungry. Ah,
Nakagat ako ng bear.
you have a bandage?
Ano ako ng bear? Nandun pala yung bear.
Are you serious? Not this time. I'm also hungry.
Puro ka naman hungry. Hindi ka kasi nag-help eh.
First, I'm gonna get some food. Nom, nom, nom. Ooh, bandage. La 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 la. Ay! Pa, just get your stuff later. Skip it! Help, 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 help. The cat has woken up. Guys, so now we will be trying to get 15 woods just for crafting vanish. And then it will be much harder. And guys, I will try to reach 100 days. Even though I already reached to 200. Cause something was big and you got me wrapping right. Finally, I can put this. Okay, so
Bawal pala dun. Ano siya? Ano pala?
next time if we sa birthday ni Kuya ulit, pag, pag, 10th birthday ko tapos, pagbali, tapos, ay, never mind pala. Pag pumunta tayo sa zoo, can I please feed a bunny? Yay! Hello, Classic Facer back. No, 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 no. You are hungry. Don't put anything in the crock pot. I'm putting eggs. Okay?
Kaya may bear na naman.
Then run. Run away, run away, run away from the bear. Hi, chickies.
Hindi nalalaglag yung bear dito.
Oh. Pa, look what I got. Cooked egg. Finally got the cooked eggies.
Ba't hindi mo nadidid yung bear dito?
Don't gnar. Finally, I found it. I've been searching for hours and hours. Are you serious?
May stuck pala pag bumabangga dito.
Yeah.
Hindi yung nakakatalon.
Yeah, wait lang. Diyan na si mga
Hindi
chickies.
ako naka-jump. Na-stuck ako. Ba't hindi namamatay yung bear dun sa trap?
Kasi they're powerful. Hi, ay, ay. Oh, no. Oh,
Mamaya
bear.
na morning.
Oh, bear, bro.
Morning muna ako init.
Holy moly. I got you now. Get away, ugly. Get away, ugly deer. Get away. Malacrap. Oops. Do you want me to put you here? Yes. You're gonna lay down. Wee.
Nakanuwa yung naka-medkit ko.
Oh. But it shows where you died.
Hindi mo connect yung medkit ko.
Sorry. Pa, so your medkit doesn't waste. Look what I found. Oh. Oh no. La 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 la, I got the bandage. I got the bandage, but I'm hungry, hungry, hungry. I need to get some food, or else I will die.
Lagay ni nanay yung tinapay sa rep. Mga bread.
You know? Just show me when you told me Say, yes! OMG!
What's that?
Look what I got as a reward.
What's that?
Raragan. Pa, we got some ribbies. We got some barbecues. Or we call it BBQ. Barbecue ribs. Barbecue ribs. That was quick. You are hungry. I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat some ribbies. Oh my god. That gave me help, bro. Potato. Whiskey ball. That's got this in my mouth. Help me, help me, help me, me. Oh, I am actually safe. Bye bye. Oh no, I didn't see that coming. Get out of here! Oh, you can catch me. There you go. Wee. Until the grinder you go. Na 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 na. I love it when you see me say, Eureka. We got blue hair, and my brother loves blue, so we will name him Kaiser. Papa, remember Kuya Kaiser loves blue? So this is called Kuya Kaiser! Chick Kuya,
Saan ako na dead?
Chick Kaiser.
Kikill ko yun. Yung ano.
His name will be Chick Kaiser. Since you're my new pet and you're the same color as my brother's favorite color, I'll name you Chick Kaiser. Carrot, red. I need a carrot or else he will leave. I cannot find a carrot. I need a carrot or else I need a carrot. I need a carrot. I need a carrot. Carrot. Or else he will not be my pet. My pet. Oh no, I need a carrot. That took me so long to find. Oh, that's when I found another carrot. Oh no, I left my carrot. Okay, I got it. But now he was Then get out for... Not again.
Pinapatay ko kasi yung bear eh.
Where'd you even try to? Hi. ay, Papa. Ay, yeah. Bandage! Pa, I found where you died kanina. Look.
Yung mga things ko nandiyan.
Yeah, you get it. That's yours.
Asan na yung wolf? Ay, wolf. Yung ano na yun. Ikipo yun.
You will kill the bear. Poor little bear. Hee the poor.
Ano yung bear?
Chicky. Dude. Carrot. Here you go. His name will be Kaiser. Chick Kaiser again.
Where is that bear?
Where's that ugly bear?
Naget mo yung ano ko?
What?
Alpha wolf na ano? Elf?
No.
Kung saan ako na dead?
No.
Ba't hindi mo ganit?
I thought you would get it because it's yours.
Wala naman dun eh. Kung saan mo ako binili.
Wrap orange. And that will be named Chickmia. Come on, Chickie. Come on, Chick Kaiser and Chickmia. Chick Kaiser! Yay! Look what I got, Papa!
Ano yun?
Chick Eggy. I need a stoop. Is that a strong axe? Lala. Look what I got. Look. It just got dropped here because it's my price. Look, it was doing like this. Look. Toot. And then it dropped.
What's that?
Taming.
Alpha wolf?
Strong taming flute. But it's a strong taming flute. But so it means I can tame a bear with this. Now I need a basketball egg.
Nasa na yung aking alpha weight belt? Wala. Alpha weight belt. Ba ako na din?
Rain and thunder. I found squid. Can you help me?
Namatay. I'm on fire. So let the fire run out. Is this the end of me now?
Are you getting chased?
Don't let the fire comes out.
But look what I did. And look what happened. Oops. Oops. Oops, 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 oops. Look what happened to the crafting bench.
Dito gumawa farm lot natin.
Guys, if you wanna friend me in Roblox, my name is Roblox is Melanie_Sky2. And I'll put it in the comments so you can friend me, guys. And I'll say it slowly. The first one is my. Next is little pony underscore sky 2. And that's it. But search now. Then if you find this avatar and it means that's me. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, let the fire go out. But I place a flag so we can see where we fishing. Is this the end of me now? Is the end of me now? Thanking me that is the end of me now. Thinking that I can go wrong. Yeah, I got a mackerel. Can I fish out something here? Yeah. Yeah. That was nasty. Let the fire go out. Let the fire go out. Is this the end of me now? Let the fire go out. Is this the end of me now? Is this the end? Let the fire go out. Is this the end of me now? Help me, I die. Is this the end of my... Help me, I'm gonna die. Help, I need food. Pew, pew, pew. I need food. I'm starving. I'm starving. Ay! Oh my gosh. That was close. This- Wag mo to i-touch kasi I will wait for it to hatch to turn into a Easter pelt. Okay? To get the pelt raider egg. Don't anybody don't touch this. This is precious. Just kidding, it's not. It's here. Hi. I need food. One, two. Can we put that in the crafting bench first? But we need this.
Ano yun?
Dog gate.
Meron ba yung lag na merong thorn? Spike?
Wala.
Paano nila ginagawa?
But we need this. We need 20 logs. Papa, put it in the crafting bench. Look! OMG! I didn't realize this would be too giant. Pa, look what you can do, watch. Ning. Ning. Pinaudo. Pinaudo. Nani?
Strong axe ka?
No!
Oh.
Oh my god!
I-plant mo yung trees, ha?
Okay. I'm planting it. Bruh. Sapling.
Ito pa, oh.
Ay! But that's too many.
I-plant mo yung trees, ha?
Okay, wait lang.
Mag-roam ako. Gigagat ko yung mga pig.
Ish.
Dapat ikaw nagigat sa mga pig kasi ano eh, mayroong oregano. Laglag ako. Dito yung cut to. Tingnan mo. Yung cut. Wala na akong bahala. Look, tumagos yung cut.
Papa, be careful, that has powers. Pa, you know what is this area?
What?
Hatching area.
Doon nakakapasok siya sa loob. Ng room. Nakapasok siya sa loob ng room.
Strong yan eh.
Nakapasok niya.
Pa, that is strong. Pa, look, I got a little room for this guy. Papa.
E,
Ha?
E,
E.
G. Hindi mo alam spell. G, dalawang G.
To.
E. Sa E first, E. G, G, S.
This.
Mm.
Done. Pa, we forgot the area.
Oh, alam mo na yung spelling, di ba?
Air. Oh no. Pa, area.
Eggs.
Area.
A, R. A, R,
A-R.
E, A.
E-A. 4 eggs.
Uy, ba't hindi mo
Pa, there's a... look what I found that growed.
cake?
Pa, we can cook the cake. Papa, should we try to make the Minecraft cake? Don't put anything. I'm gonna find cakes.
Rose, nilagay mo yung tinapay sa sa ref.
Siya.
Hindi, ngayon, pagkatapos mo kumain.
Yung ano?
Yung mga tinapay.
Sige na. Hindi.
Ay, hindi mo nilagay. Baka mapanis
Adi ka ba?
yun. May ano yun, may palaman yun
Ano
eh.
nga pala? Adi ka ba? Ligo ka na.
Are you serious?
Mamaya na ako na magpapaligo.
Be strong axe, be strong axe, be strong axe, be strong axe. Hey, strong flashlights.
Strong naman kaso flashlight.
Yeah. Yes. Watch. Powerful on.
Sabi mo kasi please strong eh. O, di strong ha. Strong flashlight.
I said, please strong axe. I said, strong axe.
Funny.
What? What?
That's funny. You said you want strong. And the game gave you strong. Strong flashlight.
I said strong with an axe. I literally said strong axe, not strong flashlight. Ay,
At least the game gave you strong. But not axe.
I said, Papa, strong axe. Not strong flashlight. The green one, strong flashlight.
My inventory.
Papa, look. Look. Pa. Help!
Oh, walang ano. Walang internet. Nawalan tayo ng internet. Oh, connect.
Reconnect.
Wala na. Nawala na. Hindi na tayo makaka-reconnect.
Yeah.
Disconnect na tayo. Wala na. Leave na. Apply ka muna ng iba.
Okay, so after that, guys, so bye.
Hindi ka na